Hello, I'm Ben, I'm in Team Juliet, and this is the Groundwater app. So, the British Antarctic Survey have been using technology called ground-penetrating radar to try and answer two questions. Is there any water under the ground, and where is it? This is really useful if you're trying to identify how thick is my ice, but it's got other applications too. The picture behind me was taken in Morocco, where the technology is being used to find the best places to put your crops. So I'll talk briefly about how it works. You've got two main pieces of equipment. You've got a big radar and you've got a computer for processing it. The radar sends a sequence of pulses into the ground, they reflect back up, and it measures the results. It sends these over to the computer where the data can be processed. And what you're trying to do is find signs of things changing, which would indicate that there's some kind of fluid flowing under the water. The problem, as you can see, is that it's pretty bulky right now. We've got a massive trolley full of computers. This isn't really friendly if you just want to, hop out and do some data collecting. So we wanted to figure out if we can simplify this process, if we can make it easy for everybody, and at the same time, we wanted to make this completely open source so that we can distribute this app really easily in developing countries. So I'll give you an example of some of the data that you can collect. These screens are two screenshots from the app. They're showing data that we've collected. And no, that's not noise. There's lots of information here. The left one is showing phase information. So if you look down to 36 meters deep, there's a nice horizontal band of lots of changing going on. We can see that the phase is changing in the pulses we're receiving, which shows that there's water 36 meters deep. And we gathered this just from looking at a few radar pulses. There's more it can do. It can demonstrate all kinds of individual plots. You can do a lot of analysis using this. What we wanted to do was really cover the whole functionality that you need to do this data collection in the field using just a single app. And with that, we wanted to keep everything really smooth and efficient and keep the process as quick as possible. And so one of the key features of the app is that it can process data live as it comes in. This screen is showing we've got three screenshots after 1, 3, and 20 files have been received. And the app, as it receives a file from the radar, it just updates itself on the spot and helps you see straight away, oh, yeah, everything's working correctly. On the topic of keeping things quick and easy, the app can upload to OneDrive for you. You collect your stream of data files. The next thing you want to do, you want to get them off the phone, and you can do that directly through the app. You can just upload to OneDrive by clicking a button. You can set up the device too. This, again, is part of our goal is to make sure that everything you could possibly need to do in the field can be done just using the app. So we hope that this is going to really speed up the process for anybody trying to collect this kind of data, and we're interested in the other applications too, like, for example, trying to find the best place to put your crops. This is something that could absolutely revolutionize farming with more research and development. And so for that privilege, we're really grateful to the British Antarctic Survey for letting us be part of this project, and I'm grateful to you guys for being a lovely audience. Thank you.